Hello aspirants, welcome to Root Support Academy. In today's session, let's discuss about coding and decoding. In reasoning, coding and decoding is all about playing with alphabets. Once you're familiar with the alphabet sequence, their numbers, their positioning, then you will find it really easy to tackle various problems on this topic. Andre, A to Z, you remember their positions, yav number, yav alphabet barutte, adella once if you understand, then e topic ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ problem ಬಂದ್ರು easy ಆಗಿ you can solve. Okay. So how to remember that? Here you can see I've written A to Z, all the 26 alphabets, and I have numbered their positions. Okay. 1 A, B ಗೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ till 26 I have numbered them. But idu, we just can't keep writing this all the time. Okay. We have to remember some tricks in order to remember their numbers. So now in this video, I am going to share some tips and tricks in order to remember all these numbers. Okay, so let's get started. First, let me write a word, okay, that is E-J-O-T-Y. Okay, so knowing this word, it becomes easier to start solving problems on coding and decoding. Okay, I've written a word that is E-J-O-T-Y, which means E-J-O-T. Okay. Now, let me write something here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. What have I written? Illian bardidini. E-J-O-T anta one word bardu. I've just numbered here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Multiples of 5. Okay. So, it will become very easy. E-J-O-T anta, if you remember in your mind, it will be very easy. Okay. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So E has 5, next J has 10, O 15, T 20, Y 25. So these 5 easily we can remember by remembering this sequence. Okay. And in case if you forget other nearby numbers also, you can remember. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay. Everybody knows A, B, C, D 1, 2, 3, 4. So any problem only if you have, what is the number of B and C in the next number bandide. So easily these 4 we will remember. Okay. A, B, C, D. We will remember. And E-J-O-T in the we will remember that E has the number 5. Now we have to start with F. F number I have written here. I have written as 6. Okay. So this we can remember as F. Okay. 6. F for fix and F for and then you write as 6. Fix the number 6 for which alphabet? F. Okay. So F has the number 6. A, B, C, D 4. E has the number 5. F gets the number 6. Okay. Next we have G and G has the number 7. So G7 I think elladru once at least neev kelirtira. Okay. G7 countries, a group of 7 countries, G7 summit anta. So G nodid takshana wherever you see in whichever problem, G you can easily remember that it is G7. G7 summit, G7 countries. Okay. Next, H has the number 8. How to remember this? How do we write H? Like this. Okay. If I join this here like this and like this, I can somehow see 8 written there. Allah. Okay. So H, whenever you see H, you have to remember that H has the number 8. Okay. Alitanka, you know that. Next, going with 9. Okay. Next, going with I. Okay. I has the number 9. How to remember this? I get 9 anta heli. Okay. If somebody is asking you, how are you? Usually, anta heli abhyasa. I am fine. Right. So, I am fine badlu. It's like I 9. Okay. I am fine. I gets the number 9. Okay. Whenever you have I, you know that I has the number 9. Next, in E-J-O-T, what did we have? J had 10. So the next one is 10. Okay. Next, going with K. K has the number 11. Okay. K 11. What can you remember about K 11? I think most of you kelirtira Kings 11 Punjab. Yes, itala. Okay. So Kings 11. K 11. K has the number 11. Next. I think on some vehicles you might have seen KL anta. Okay, here in Karnataka you've seen vehicles as KA, Karnataka. Okay, Kerala dalli, if the vehicles are from Kerala, what do they write? KL. Okay, So always if K has 11, next one will have the number 12. K always goes with the number 11. L ge yavaglu ye number irutte 12. Okay. Next, we have M as 13. Total how many alphabets do we have? We have 26 alphabets, right? What is the half of 26? Half of 26 is, okay, what is the half of 26? It's always 13. So which is the alphabet which is like ending in the first half? First half only we have M. Okay. So M gets the number 13 because first half of the alphabets if you take, you get M there. So if you take first half and second half, first half only you have 13. The next one you will have 14. Okay. 14 to 26 is the second half. So when you come to N always gets the number 14. Okay. M has 13, N has 14. Okay. Next, if we come back to Ijoti again, you have O as 15. Okay, so until 15, you can easily remember. Next, we have these three, P, Q and R. Okay, from here it might start seeming like difficult to remember. Okay, P, Q, R. They have the number 16, 17 and 18. How to remember P, Q and R? Idike 16, 17, 18 ide anta. So randomly, let me just assume P stands for Prince, Q stands for Queen, R stands for Raja. Okay, let me say P Prince, Q Queen, R Raja. Among these, sumne randomly if you think who can be the youngest, who can be the eldest. Okay, 16, 17, 18. This is the age group. So Adralli, Raja can be the highest, Queen will be in the middle and Prince will be the youngest. Allah. So you can remember 16, 17 and 18. I am telling you 17, you think 16, 17, 18 only, Queen comes, then youngest 16 comes, then eldest you can consider it to be Raja. Next, these two, we have to learn about S and T. T again we have got, okay, from Ijoti you know that T has the number 20 and T20 cricket, that also you have heard. So T always has the number 20, okay. And S, a letter before T is S. SC, ST. Every exam we get to hear this ST, SC, the caste reservation yenanta. So always ST is together. So when this is 20, 1 lesser than 20 is what? 19. So this ST has 19, 20. You can just remember that number 19, 20 or ST, okay, ST and R together. T gets the number 20. So 1 lesser than 20 is 19. So whenever S comes, the number is 19. Okay. Next, we have to learn about U. Okay. U has the number 21. I think you might have heard under 21 World Cup atarad. Okay. Under 21. So U gets the number 21. Okay. Next, we have V. V gain number is there 22. So how to remember that V has 22? You might have seen people when they win something, any competition or anything, they just do like this. Allah, they pose like this or something. So this V stands for victory. Okay, whenever they do this. So here what do you have? I have 2 here, I have 2 here. So 2, 2, I can just remember as 22. So V, like victory I can remember, and 2, 2, V gets the number 22. Okay. After that, what do we have? We have W. W has the number 23. Okay. This W, it is like this. If I flip it and write, it looks like this. Allah. So what is the last one looking like? 3. And W obviously comes at the end only. So it can't be 13 or any other number. So obviously W will be having the number 23. Remember W itara kansute. When you just turn, rotate and write like this, it looks like 3. So W gets the number 23. Next we have X. Okay, last idella barite. So the 23, 24, don't get confused. When you have X, you just think of a design. 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like some design, alva. How many dots did I put? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one. So X gets what number? Last 24. Then coming back to Y. Ijoti you had remembered that Y gets the number 25. And at last, what do you have? Z. Everybody knows A is 1, Z is 26. So Z has the number 26. So this thing, if you keep practicing and if you keep revising again and again, it will be very easier to remember all the numbers of these alphabets. I hope after listening to this, next time whenever you're solving problems on coding and decoding, you will remember these tricks and then give the numbers by yourself and then solve your problems. Thank you.